hard to stay in the house, but I have a new idea for you guys to try. I know you guys like Play-Doh, so this is going to be a DIY Play-Doh for you to try at home. It's very easy. You have everything you need in your house. So what we're gonna need is a little bit of flour, a little bit of salt, a little bit of water, oil, and something to add some color. I'm going to use natural things, but you can use food coloring if you want. I'm going to use annatto and saffron. I'm going to add 1 cup of flour, half of a cup of salt. I'm going to mix it up. Okay, so after I mix everything up, I'm going to gradually add the water and stir. Gradually. Why gradually? I don't want this to get too soft or too sticky. So I'm going to add little by little. Okay? You can do with your mother or your father or your grandma or your grandpa. You just need to stay in the house to protect yourself and your family, okay?
You're going to have a lot to do. So slowly. Mix it up. Just a little more. See? It's starting to get sticky, but I'm going to add a little more water. It's not ready yet.
Oh. Ooh, it's perfect. So, this is the fun part, okay? I'm not going to use this anymore. I'm going to put my hand in it, because it's the only way to make this work, using your hands.
So, you're going to use your hand to mix it up. I know you guys like it. I know you guys like to get dirty and to use your hands.
If you want this to be better, you can just add a little bit of oil. Ooh, just a little. So that's it. That is just like the Play-Doh you have. But I know it looks dough because it's white. What you can do is you can separate this and color. I'm going to separate into 2 parts. Part number 1 and part number 2. And I'm going to color this with natural coloring. What I'm going to use is a little bit of annatto. Annatto is as we say, urucum, okay? And you use this when you cook, and you call this colorau. So this makes your food kind of like a reddish or orange. It's very beautiful. You can use beetroot, paprika. You can use the food coloring I told you before. Anything you want. It's a beautiful orange now. Just use your hand as much as you can. You see? We can use a little bit of saffron. Okay? Saffron won't be orange. It will be kind of like yellow. It's gonna be messy as well again. So let me just make a hole. You see, this one is thick yellow, beautiful yellow. Ta-da! If you guys want this to last longer, you can just store this in a bag and put it in the fridge up to 2 to 4 weeks. And if you want this to be permanent, so kids, if you want to make a heart or a cat or a dog, you can just make the shape. I'm going to make a ball because it's faster. And you can just cook it. So after you cook it, it will be hard and you can have this forever. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know this is super easy and super messy like you like it. Thank you very much, little bears, and have a good day.